We've talked about prisms, we've talked about cones. Pretty much the only one thing left would be spheres. The volume of a sphere with a radius of r is 4/3 pi r cubed. And the only way I can prove that is with calculus, so let's just leave it at that. And there's one cool thing, so let's do a brief example. Let's say the circumference of the Earth is approximately 25,000 miles. So what have we got? That means that, let's see, c, which is 2 pi r, is 25,000. So the radius is approximately 25,000 divided by 2 pi, which is 25,000 divided by 2 equals, divided by pi equals 3,978. I'll say approximately 4,000. Let's be approximate. Approximately 4,000 miles. And so the volume of the Earth, which is 4/3 pi r cubed, would be 4/3 pi times 4,000 cubed, and this will be in cubic miles. And that is approximately what? That is approximately, let's do the 4,000 first, because you start with do your exponents first. 4,000 cubed is huge, times pi is crazy, times 4 equals, divided by 3 equals. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. So that's thousands, millions, billions. About 268 billion. 268 billion cubic miles. So the Earth is big. My favorite thing about this formula is the following crazy, wacky formula, which is, if you have a, let's start in order. If you have a cylinder, and I want the cylinder to not only have a radius of r, but also have a height of r. So that means it is half as tall as it is wide. So it's kind of like a tuna fish can. And if I add to it a cone with the same general dimensions, that is, it has a base radius of r and a height of r, you get a sphere, the exact volume of a sphere with radius r. Why? The cylinder is a prism, so the volume is area of the base times the height. The base is a circle, so the volume is pi r squared times r. Pi r squared is the area of the bottom times the height, which is r. Here the volume is 1/3 pi r squared times r, and the volume of the sphere, as we just said, is 4/3 pi r cubed. And in fact, if you combine these two things, you get pi r cubed plus of 1/3 of a pi r cubed. And there's a couple ways to do this. Probably the easiest way would be to factor out the pi r cubed. This is 1 pi r cubed plus 1/3 pi r cubed, and that would be 1 plus 1/3 pi r cubed, and 1 plus 1/3 is 1 and 1/3 is 4/3. If you turn the 1 into 3/3 by multiplying top and bottom by 3, you end up getting 4/3 pi r cubed.